What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. 2 months ago we launched the Duo Scrub Pad. But do you know all the secrets about this product? If not, this video is for you. Before I start explaining all the secrets about the Scrub Pad, we have to give a little bit of context about the design. In my left hand you have the original Scrub Pad. In the right, the Duo Scrub by Labocosmetica. And just by the look of it, in the design you can already see the differences that we changed from the original Scrub Pad to what we now have, the Duo. More ergonomical design with the wedge inside inspired by the computer mouse.
That crevice with the pressure and comfort during use allows you to use the Scrub Pad both from side to side and from front to back, allowing them to come into the nearest crevices of where the pressure is applied and the bristle action is at its maximum.
Design of the shape. Furthermore, the design of the fiber, because that is innovation right there. 2 types of fibers. Both of them are synthetic, both of them are delicate. The increase of abrasion is different. During my testing of what I was already thinking about, how great these scrub pads actually are, is the user experience. And that user experience, especially with a guy with the size of a hand like this, becomes ergonomically very important.
Important in the way that this foam allows you to never actually touch the scrub pad. What you have with the original scrub pad is that you apply pressure and you feel the plastic you are scrubbing. This foam gives you the opportunity to never ever touch the substrate and completely divide the amount of friction over the surface you are treating.
Two different types of fibers. Long, short. Long for very delicate, short for intensified scrubbing action. Chemically resistant for all interior cleaners of Labocosmetica. Ductile, Glico, Omnia and Derma Cleaner for the surfaces of plastic, leather and fabric. The big secret of this product lies in the comfort of use. Generated from the original design of the scrub pad, you have increased physical labor. And, like I am known for the laziest detailer in the world, physical labor needs to be reduced. The power of this product lies in the bristle action, reducing the physical labor, but generates more cleaning. That is crazy! What do you need for normal interior cleaning? Think with me. Just the dashboard alone. You need the brush. You have the brushing action. You have to get to the angles. You have to do the slow brushing. You are using the detail brush. Has no bristle action whatsoever. You have to spray it onto the surface. You have to wipe it down. Just thinking about it is already making me tired. So imagine having this, where you can keep using this, clean it after each other, because that is the biggest secret, is that after this, the cleaning of this, switching in between chemicals is obsolete. You just wash it, clean it, and continue with the other chemical for the interior using only one tool for the inside. So, oh my God, this is amazing, this is amazing. To summarize, just to give you a small summarization, what this product can do. Comfort, chemical resistance, multiple chemicals used, easy to clean, double fibers, long delicate, short intensified abrasion action. You know my philosophy. I try to speak the truth. My challenge to you is catch me with a lie. Buy this product and try to see if I lied about it. Because like I said, it is about you. It is for you. This is Labocosmetica, where we want to make you better, more efficient. Not about the new product, not about game changing. It's about you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Labocosmetica.